My beloved brother and dear sisters, if you look at the teaching of Islam, every time there is something Allah has instructed you to do, He asks you to do it more than just once. Beside the Hajj, He asks you to do it more than just once, wherein he says, وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ حِجُّ الْبَيْتِ مَنِ اسْتَطَاعَ إِلَيْهِ سَبِيلًا. Indeed, Allah has made it incumbent upon the people to fulfill the Hajj. Whosoever is able and capable to do it, and the explanation of it teaches us that the compulsion is only once in a lifetime. If you want to do it more than that, you are able to permit it, then it's okay. The compulsory nature of it would only be once for those who can manage. However, if you look at prayers 5 times a day, every single day, you need a lot of disciplines to fulfill that. So there must be a reason why Allah wants us to be disciplined. Fulfill it's every day. It's every day. Similarly, when Allah created the night and day, He made it rotate. يُكَوِّرُ اللَّيْلِ عَلَى النَّهَارِ وَيُكَوِّرُ النَّهَارِ عَلَى اللَّيْلِ. Allah causes the night to go into the day and the day to go into the night. When night is long, the day becomes short, and when the day is long, the night becomes short, and so on. These are part of the creature of Allah. These are the part of the creatures of Allah, moving and rotating in a way that will help us as humankind to be disciplined. There is a night that will come this evening, and Allah says He created night in order for you to recline and reset, and day in order for to work. So during the day light you can see more clearly. You are well equipped to accurately work hard, and that night the bulk of us are resting beside those who have a night shift, or those who are guides sometimes, or those who are perhaps taking care of something important at the time. The Prophet says, if you do not have something important to do, go to bed, recline. It's better for you. Medicine will tell you that the sleep of the first few hours of the night is far more unreaching than the sleep later on, and this is why we do believe in the notion early to bed, early to rise, etc. It's make you healthy. I do not about wealthy, but I do know wise. Healthy to my sister, if you get up early in the morning and you are keep keen on going to work and working hard with dedications, you become wealthy. Jazakillah.